Today I'm finally gonna be dyeing my hair. Hey, I'm Jen and I have wanted to dye my hair like a coppery orange color for the longest time. I literally was gonna do it last year, probably a year ago, and I chickened out so bad and I ended up just going pink like I always do. So today I am finally just gonna do it. It's gonna happen today. Now I don't know if this is just because I have a huge girl crush on Nywan Emery, Miranda Makaroff, and of course I watch too much Queen's Gambit. But yes, I hopefully won't turn out like the young Beth Harmon in this. But yeah, maybe I'll cut it, maybe I'll color it. The colors I have for this video are the Directions hair colors, and I couldn't decide between both of them, so I might mix them. So we got Tangerine and we got Flame. So yeah, they kind of look really red in the bottles, and I don't want red. I want like orange, kind of like a natural ginger color. And yeah, honestly, I don't like my hair too dark. I like it on the lighter side. But yes, I bet I end up with dark hair today and I'll be like, what happened? I like light hair, but it's all a big experiment. Who really cares? I don't like my hair most days. So yeah, let's just change it up. All right, welcome to the bathroom. Let's set the scene. You're at your grandma's house and she said, don't get any dye anywhere. So let's put all these towels everywhere. Doo-doo-doo. I don't think I'm gonna be this messy. We're covered everywhere. All right, I got my old clothes on and I got some really cute avocado socks, and yeah, I guess it's gonna happen. I guess I gotta take out these hair ties and probably ruin my hair for ever. I figured if this doesn't go well, it's fine because I just wear my hair in buns 90% of the time and you wouldn't be able to tell which color it is anyway. So I literally had it in these plaits for an hour and I'm already crimped. That's a look. Now I might give myself a trim because I really like blunt ends and I like my hair short, I've realized, but last time I tried to cut my own hair, it was way too short. So I'm gonna be doing the Brad Mondo method, which I tried last time and I mean, didn't fail, but I'm gonna say sorry in advance to Brad because this is probably not gonna work out. Whatever, hair grows super fast anyway. Don't have the right hair tie. This could be a disaster. The only scissors I have are my Nana's sewing scissors, so at least it's better than the dog scissors that I used last time. I'm scared, but what can you do? All right, it's happening. One done. I hope this is the same. Yeah, that's the ends of my hair. I can't really see what I'm doing. This one I just know is gonna be the wonky one. Yeah, definitely gonna be wonky there. It's actually ridiculous how big these scissors are. This is probably why you pay a hairdresser to do it. Yeah, there's definitely things that aren't right, but let's take it out. Oh no. I realized I probably should have brushed my hair first. This is not good. This bit, oh my goodness. I like the length though, so that's something. Ruthless. Can you actually come straighten out the cutting that I just did? What do you think? Because look at what happened there.
I've literally never attempted to cut hair before.
Well, this is, you're going into the deep end. You just fix up that one part, please, and try straighten things. I'll hold straight. There's this long bit.
Yeah.
Ah! That's my shirt. Isn't this fun? Isn't it fun cutting it off?
It's kind of fun.
It's not terrible. This is Nicholas Pashish, my hairdresser.
Hello.
It was his first time and his best time.
Yep. Good luck. Good
luck. Shut the door. Don't want Nana to see. I mean, I'm probably still gonna wreck it with the orange dye, so. All right, this is it. Probably looks terrible, but who knows? This was the amount of hair that I cut off. We're gonna have a thumbnail with this shit. All right, time for the dyeing. I'm going to brush it first, where you'll see my hair just puffs into double the size. Now, I have never used these colors before. I initially thought I would use Flame, but then some of the pictures I saw on Instagram, which is pretty hard to see what color dye you want on Instagram because you don't know like what hair they started with. You don't know like how long they left it on, that you don't know if they have like some sort of filter on there to make it even better. So yeah, I was originally gonna go with Flame, but I decided to add some Tangerine to hopefully make it more orange. Now I probably should do a test on my hair if I like this, but I can't be bothered. So I guess we're just gonna put it straight on my head. I'm not sure how well it's gonna go like on my roots because they are very dark, obviously, and this is lighter. So my initial thoughts when I got this dye was that it looks kind of red. And it does, oh my goodness. It's like this really deep reddy orange color, so I'm very excited. And then we have Tangerine, which is definitely super orange, so, and that color looks like pretty much the similar, just like a lighter shade of that other one. So yeah, so let's put some little hair ties in the hair. Like, see, look at that. My hair is so dark at the bottom, especially since I just kind of cut out a lot of it. So here's a look. Yeah, something like that. Sorry if I'm not making full eye contact with you guys, but I got to concentrate on this hair disaster. Also, before I'm about to do this, let me know in the comments if you think this is gonna look good, okay? Probably not. So what I'm gonna do is take like a scoop of this one and put it into a tub, and 1 scoop of the other one. And now I have them both in this tub, and I will mix it together with this brushy thing. You're probably gonna have a bunch of different colors from this, but oh, these are too big for my hands because I got tiny hands. This definitely looks rather red, and I hope it's not actually red that comes out because I want orange. Oh, wait, vital step. They said you gotta put on some like Vaseline or something around your skin so that you don't end up with stuff everywhere. Also, I've got white stuff on my hands from those gloves. I really should be working today. What am I doing? We got it everywhere, I think. Yeah, it's just this Ultra Balm stuff. We gonna do it. I've been dreaming of this for so long. Now, earlier this year, I'm pretty sure I spent a lot of money to be blonde, so this is probably not a good idea. So I saw a lot of inspo on Pinterest, which is probably also why I want to have orange hair. And yeah, I'll put some on screen now, but I love it so much. I feel like it might be a lot of upkeep, so we'll see how this goes and if it looks good. Okay, I've finally done the bottom, and I was wondering when I was watching everyone else's videos, like, why is everyone so messy? It's not that hard, but like, and I also dropped like the biggest drop on my shirt, and it looks like I have blood everywhere. There's like a murder scene going on in here, so I guess I'll just wipe some of this shit off. I don't want a turtleneck or something. It's an orange glove. Not to take down the hair and not get orange everywhere. So I'm gonna section it again because my hair is so thick. I've had my hair like reddish like one other time, and I basically wanted this color. I think it was about 5 years ago, but they gave me like a dark red and I wasn't about that life, so kind of looks like I haven't done any dye at all at this point just because my hair's so thick, but I assure you it's under there. This is also why I don't like straighten or style my hair with like, I don't know, straightener, curl or whatever, because my hair's just too thick and it just takes way too long to, you know, like grab each strand and just kind of straighten it. It's probably why my hair is also quite healthy. Let me know in the comments below who your favorite ginger is. Hopefully it's not me because I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Finally on to the last section. And I only have like the tiniest bit of dye left. Somehow I've used up 2 bottles. So hopefully I have enough to complete the job. I'm literally at the scrapings of this hair dye. Hey Nick. Nicholas. Hey Nick. Hey Nick. Nicholas. I cannot get his attention. All I want to know is if I've missed any spots at the back. I probably have. Nick!
The laundry was done. Let's put away the laundry.
I only really dropped it here on myself. It looks like I got my period in a weird spot. Now to clean up this bloody mess. Now I'm going to wait, hopefully like half an hour, maybe an hour. It said 15 minutes, but I want this to last even if it does look shit, so yeah, I guess we're going to wait and then I'll rinse it off and show you what it is. Okay, it's been about half an hour and I'm going to wash this off, but I think we're gonna go to the laundry sink because I'm scared of this staining the bathroom. Now I'm gonna rinse it actually in the shower because it's still coming out orange. And we are done. So I'll just dry this, style this, and then show you the grand finale. All right, the grand reveal where I kind of look exactly like my mum's old jumper. I have orange/red hair. It's definitely more red than I thought it would be, but I think on camera it kind of looks more orange, which is good because I only really care what happens on the internet. Honestly, so cool. Like, even if it's not exactly the color I was after, it's definitely something super bold, and I can't believe I did it myself. It took so long to try and get the red out of it /orange. It just like kept coming out in the drain. I couldn't get it to go clear, but for now we're just gonna keep it away from any water and hopefully it'll rinse out next time I wash it. I have just styled it by wearing plaits overnight in my hair, and that is how we've achieved this look because I don't actually own like a straightener or curler or anything. So I think this is probably like my optimum length on me. I just love it. I feel like I can style it more than when it's long, although I could even go a bit shorter. But if you were planning on doing this to your hair with Directions hair dye, just letting you know I used 2 jars just to fit this amount of hair. I mean, I do have a lot of thick hair, but yeah, I was so close to not having the right amount. So if I hadn't have cut my hair, I definitely would have struggled. I definitely think I'm having a bit of a Ramona Flowers kind of vibe right now. I can't wait to try so many different colors because this is great. I think I'm just gonna be that girl who changes her hair color like every couple of weeks now. So let me know in the comments what colors you want to see, although I'm pretty hyped on this orange. And yeah, I'll show you the back. I'm not sure if it's actually like even yet because I just did that haircut with my boyfriend. So yeah, that is the back, and when I edit this I'll finally see what it looks like. Hopefully it's like evenly dyed back there. But yes, anyways, this is me, the new Jen. If you haven't already, please subscribe. My Instagram is @InTheWonderYears. And until next time, keep wondering. Ah, it's red, orange. Who knows? It's so cute.